Okay, I am going to make ice of French coffee, ice milk French coffee. The boiler is boiling, 1 gallon and 3/4. I'm gonna go ahead and open the coffee can, put in there. This is a French coffee. French coffee is so good. It's just like so fresh, real coffee from France, and tastes real good from France. Where's France wood at? Okay, you can buy at Asian market, Chinese, Vietnamese market, the Asian market they sell this. See that? Original French coffee. It's just so good. This is a good brand, you guys. This is very strong coffee. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, open. See that? This French coffee, it looks so fresh, and real coffee is no mix, nothing. Original, 100% coffee. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead put the coffee in here. About 15-20 minutes. Okay, coffee in. Go ahead, stir well. I'm gonna stir well. Stir well. Stay in there about 10 to 15 minutes. Let them come out. Soak coffee to the hot water. They come out real good. Okay, now stir well. Coffee going down, and let them soak in the hot water, and the coffee come out strong, good. So let them be there 15 minutes, and I come back and filter later. Yes. Okay, this condensed milk I use, I opened already 4 can, 4, 3, 4 can. This brand, old man brand, sweet condensing milk. This is a good one. This is what I use. I remember when I was kid. You know, we been kid baby. The baby first born. You know, mommy don't have a milk to feed them, to feed the baby, so they use this. Boil the hot water and use condensing milk here. Put in the hot water and just stir and then put it in the bottle. And the baby drink the milk from here. Believe it or not, they don't drink the cow milk, but I don't know what kind of milk is it. But this is condensing milk, and make with hot water and put in a bottle, and the baby drink that. Go up 1-2 years old, and then that's after that stop. This is what condensed milk I use. That's a good old brand. I remember that. It's quality. All right. Okay, that's coffee. Now we're gonna filter. Yep. Good coffee. Oh, smells so good. You can feel a lot of caffeine in here. Quality coffee, good coffee, better than Starbucks. Starbucks is nothing to this. This is so fake. This is the best coffee ever. Okay, condensing milk in. Yep. Second can. Third can. Number 4. Yes, number 4. 4 can condensing milk. Sugar, 1 cup. 2 cup sugar. This is 1/4, 2 cup and 1/4. And stir. And stir. This is good coffee, strong and have a lot of caffeine. Better than go to Starbucks, believe me. This is the best coffee. Hey guys, this is ice milk coffee. It's so good, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in the ice and drink this. This is so good. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.